Google uses the concept of groups for shared mailboxes. And here you can see an email that came in, says, love my Celigo subscription and the way it works with group emails. And someone wrote back, thanks, glad you love it. Okay, so we want to now take this and show how you can see this inside of your own Gmail account that's also associated with your NetSuite license. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you go into your Gmail and go into Account, and you want to click on Add Another Email Address. And then here is where you're going to put in the email address that you are going to associate with the group shared email address. So in this case, I've already got one called subscriptions@celigo.com. So you can see I've got that set up as an alias email address, and then I'm not actually specifying a different reply to email address. And that's important because I want to make sure that when I click on reply from my mailbox, that those emails get replied to from subscriptions@celigo.com and not my own email address. I also find it handy to create a label for any email that comes into that particular email address. That way you can make it almost as if it's another inbox. So you'll see your emails come into both this particular label as well as your inbox. If I come up and look at this email and if I click on reply, you'll notice that the replies are coming from subscriptions@celigo.com. Also a good idea to CC or BCC that group because when you do that, that's what's going to make sure that the rest of your group knows that you've replied to this person. And it also ensures that that reply gets put into this same group view here as well. So that's super important. Okay, now how does this work with CloudExtend G Suite? Well, pretty simple. If I want to attach this email now, a particular record, I can come over here, I can click on Save Email, and because my license is associated with my chris.corcoran@celigo.com, even though I'm using my group shared email address, which is subscriptions@celigo.com, I'm able to attach that email. I can come over here and I can see that attached over here on the Gmail tab, as well as on the Communications tab.